A movement is underway to encrypt all data moving across the internet.
But here's the thing for 2015. There are several moves afoot to encrypt encrypt the internet, is what people are saying. It's not really encrypt all the data on the internet, everything at rest. It's really, people are talking about encrypt the data in transit across the internet. The Electronic Frontier Foundation is sponsoring a free and open certificate authority, which will enable anybody to get a certificate for their website. Now, an SSL certificate used to cost like $500 or $200, depending on how you're using it. Let's Encrypt is going to enable anybody to get a certificate for free, with almost instantaneously, as long as they can sort of prove to the computer on the other end that they owned that particular domain. Let's say Let's Encrypt takes off and it does great and everybody gets a certificate, and now every website in the world is encrypted. What does that actually mean? I think the biggest problem that, say, administrators or CSOs are going to have to watch out for is there's all kinds of devices on the network that need to peek into the traffic and do something. Before or after it hits the website. For example, take an ad server. Let's say you have an ad server somewhere, and I don't know, you're splicing in ad cookies periodically, and that's how your site makes its revenue. If that thing is encrypted, the ad server won't be able to do its thing. Now your site doesn't have any revenue. Let's say that you have different security zones, and maybe your ad server is not in the high priority zone, right? Because it's just an ad server. What is it? What's the big deal? But now you've had to copy your key over there. So I think that sort of problem of keys leaking out all over the place, we might start to see a lot of that in 2015.